things haven't developed to kind of the hype and a lot of the excitement around 3D printing is that there's been to some degree an undue focus on the actual hardware, and a lot of the software has kind of been left behind. You know, should the same software that's making a hip implant also make airplane parts and also make bottle openers? You only have one nozzle, describing the entirety of an object. It takes a very long time to produce objects of, more industrial scale. What makes Escher special is its ability to enable collaborative fabrication between a number of tools to describe that geometry in parallel. And when you start getting into abilities to parallelize fabrication, that dramatically reduces the time and cost of a lot of these geometries.
We're building a very flexible industrial system. It's not just limited to additive. It has the potential to be able to do subtractive technology. There'll be tool changing, so you can switch tool heads, you can do hot staking, you can do pick and place. One of the unique things that we're doing with the software is we have an architecture that we call conductor player, where every bot is essentially a discrete entity, and we have a computer that we're calling the conductor, and the conductor is sending out jobs and coordinating what each member of the orchestra is doing.
We want people to be able to use the parts in an end use case if they need to, or taking apart, printing it and casting it, or doing some other secondary process to it. My experience is really with kind of traditional manufacturing, and so machining or injection molding, and it can be days, weeks, months before you actually see parts in your hand. And so it's fun because what we're working on now, you design a part that morning, and that afternoon you can have the part in your hand.
We've really dug into a lot of the problems that are holding back this technology. We've reapproached how the technology is thought of, how it's used, and we really believe that that's going to unlock a huge class of applications.